All right, let's hop into the meeting proper. Um, if you have not signed into the note sheet, please, I would appreciate that. Just post a link for y'all. Um, could I get a designated note taker for today?
I can do that.
Appreciate that, Arjun. And then I will go ahead and started. First thing up, new faces. Not seeing any new faces today. So I think that we can go ahead and move on. Next up, we have the RFCs. Both of these are still drafted. I'm assuming that something came up for Jericho, because the last couple of meetings that he was at, he talked about wanting to be able to get this out of draft state, but I haven't seen him since, so I'm going to assume that work is called. As for decoupled dependencies from Buildpacks, I've been working on doing the CF day stuff and other stuff related to my company, so haven't had a chance to work on that either. So I don't have any update, and I don't think Jericho's here, so I don't think we'll have any update on this as well. Very exciting, I know. So we can move into CNB updates and questions. I don't have anything from upstream. I assume that they're continuing to work on pack related work to allow for multi-platform building. I haven't checked in on any of that though. So I will have to look into that. And then project update. I guess the project update that I was giving was that I'm giving two relatively short talks at CF Day. One is just going to be a working group meeting update where I'm going to be discussing the recently completed projects, which for us, the biggest one is obviously the UBI support. I'll be mentioning that it's got support for Node.js and Java. And then for future work, I'm going to be talking about Noble Numbat and multi-arch as the things that we're currently working on in flight. And then as I was discussing with Michael, the other talk I will be giving is around sort of the design considerations for Buildpacks. What is the value add for sort of C and Bs, and then what is the value add that you get out of Paketo, and then what is the value add that you get out of having somebody else host and design and build those Buildpacks? Which the value add is that you don't have to run all of the crap on the back end. I say crap. You just don't have to maintain all the jobs and check all the releases and do all that sort of stuff. So that's going to be my two talks. I will be more than happy to share the slides after the event. They're just not ready yet. And I don't know that they're going to be really anything special. But yeah, that's really the only project update that I have. Any
I
other
might
project?
add, just in terms of what we're working on the UBI front, is, Costa's been working on updating the stack so that we do release notes as well as generate SBOMs, with the major difference being that we have multiple run images, so we've got to accommodate that. So that's something we're going to land in the UBI stack to start, but we will want to try and get back into the general stack in the shared GitHub area. The changes will be so that if you've only got one, it just does what it used to do, but if you got multiple, it can handle that as well. just like as a heads up for people.
Awesome. I can mention that it is still an initial beta release, so it's not necessarily 100% as full featured as a normal stack release, but it is something that is still highly functional.
Yeah, I think functionality wise, we believe it's all there. It's just some of these things like the this is, I think it's like crossing the T's, make sure you get all the metadata and stuff that you need.
Yeah.
Release notes.
Awesome. Any other project updates? Any open mic discussions or questions? All right. In that case, this will be short, sweet, and to the point. I'll let you all get back to the work you were doing. All right. Thank you all.
See ya. Bye.